Ma'am, you're charged with, I guess it's keeping a gambling place.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. On August 31st, 2024, undercover officers made entry into a game room called the Lucky Penny Game Room and were denied the opportunity to play on machines because they weren't members of the game room club. Officers observed several violations while at the club and obtained a search warrant. Search warrant was executed on the 31st. The defendant was on scene and identified by her Mexican passport. The defendant admitted, in a recorded interview with paying customers cash for their winnings. During the search, 4 customers were interviewed and confirmed that the defendant was on duty, that they had been paid several times from winning on gambling devices.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Are you still employed there, or where are you working now?
Also, I'm not working. Your Honor, if I may, just
Sure.
before you, just in case there's a bond condition you're thinking about putting. So this is a permitted game room in the city of South Houston. And I don't know if this is a proper for this venue, but so the initial search warrant that they obtained to get in, they talked about saying violations. What he didn't say is it was violations of the Harris County game room regs, which do not apply in the city of South Houston.
You know what? That's a good point. I mean, it's a conclusory statement, the fact that he says that there are violations, right? But I guess there's a judge that signs a search warrant.
Right. So I think it might be a motion to suppress issue, but my issue is whether or not she's still working there. It is a legally permitted game room by the city of South Houston. It's not one of these underground illegal game rooms in Houston. City of South Houston does their own thing. The Harris County game room regs don't apply.
Are you telling me that you want me to allow her to work there?
Yes.
You're no longer employed there, right? She's not working there.
I don't know if she is, but I don't think it's proper to make a bond condition that she can't be there or work there because it is a legally operating permitted business. Nobody got paid out undercover.
The only thing I'm going to ask, and just don't pick up any new cases. Be careful where you work. If you go back to this place, be careful. They may end up coming back and charging you again. If they do, that's not going to bode well. So just be careful where you work. I don't want to hinder your ability to work anywhere. So I'm not going to put any conditions on your bond, but just be careful. That's it. If you pick up a new case, I will revoke this bond. So just be careful. For some reason, they still found it illegal. So,
well, it's been happening. I have several of these cases right now where Precinct 1 didn't realize that the Harris County game room regs don't apply in South Houston. And so they went and raided all the permitted game rooms there. I'm working on it.
Okay. Trust you. For now, you have a lawyer. I will waive your appearance, but you must stay in touch with Sarah. She will tell you when you have to come back to court. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. We'll waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming here. Okay? I'll have you go to Victoria Center Reset, and then you're out.
Thank you.
You guys are out of here.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Judge, are there any states bond conditions?
No, I'm not going to put any conditions.